Hey guys, it's Jake from Car Groves, and today we're going to talk about the best kept secret in the used 4x4 SUV market, the Lexus GX470. The GX470 was built from 2003 to 2009 and featured Toyota's 4.7 liter 2UZ V8, all-wheel drive, leather interior, and tow package as standard equipment. The GX470 was built on Toyota's J120 platform alongside the 4Runner, Tacoma, and FJ Cruiser, making it a fantastic pick for everything from mild rock crawling to an expedition rig. With the standard third row seating, the GX can seat up to 8 people. When not in use, both the second and third row can be folded out of the way to increase the cargo space. The GX470 is known to be a very reliable platform. That being said, a few items will need to be addressed. Timing belt water pump service should be done right around the 100,000 mile mark. Also, over 100,000 miles, the rear airbags should be swapped out for a traditional spring conversion. Pricing will range anywhere between $7,000 and $20,000 depending on year and mileage. I picked up my 2003 with 110,000 miles as a fresh dealer trade-in with a recent timing belt service for $8,500. An equivalent 4Runner probably goes for about 30% higher. I've done a few minor modifications to mine to improve the off-road capability, including a 2.5-inch spring lift conversion, 17x9 wheels, and 285/70/17 tires, giving me around 12 inches of ground clearance. All in all, the GX470 is an amazing vehicle for the price, and with a few simple modifications can go pretty much anywhere. If you have any questions I didn't answer on the video, please put them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.